Today, we're unlocking a secret that sits at the very heart of manifestation, a principle so powerful it can transform your deepest desires into reality. Welcome to the world of living in the end by Neville Goddard. The principle of living in the end, a method that transcends mere hope and plants the seeds of fulfilled desires firmly in the present moment. But how does one embrace this practice without the strain of trying? The essence of living in the end lies in the art of acceptance and emotional realization. It's about knowing that your desires are not just future possibilities but present realities. This shift in consciousness is not about forcing change. It's about allowing it to unfold as naturally as a flower blooms. It's a state of being where your reality is continuously shaped by the firm belief in the existence of your desires. Imagine for a moment that your deepest wish has already come to pass. How would you feel? What would you do? These aren't just idle daydreams. They are powerful acts of creation. By clarifying your desires, you set the stage. Crafting imaginal acts, you script a play of your life. Engaging emotionally, you breathe life into your role. Repeating these acts, you refine your performance. Maintaining the feeling, you stay in character. Persisting against doubt, you ensure a standing ovation. The journey of living in the end is akin to walking a bridge suspended between your current state and the realization of your desires. Faith and persistence are the cables that support this bridge. They are the forces that propel you forward, unwavering and resolute. As you walk this bridge, you're not trying to reach the other side. You're simply enjoying the view, knowing that you're already there. In this state of being, effort is replaced by ease. The struggle of trying dissolves into the peace of being. You are not chasing after your desires. You are living them. This is the power of living in the end, a power that lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. So, take a moment to reflect on your desires. Visualize them, feel them, and then let them go. Trust in the natural flow of life to bring them into your experience. Live as if they are already yours, and watch as the universe conspires to make it so. The art of effortless manifestation is not a secret. It's a choice, a way of life, a dance with the divine. Let's delve into some vivid examples. Manifesting money. Picture this. You've always wanted financial security, and you decide to live in the end. Each morning, you wake up with gratitude, feeling the joy of financial freedom. You make spending decisions with confidence, not from scarcity, but from the belief that there is plenty. You visualize checking your bank account and seeing more than enough funds for your needs and wants. This isn't make-believe. It's a conscious choice to adopt a prosperity mindset, influencing your actions and attracting wealth.